Welcome to Weekly Affairs. Stay updated with concise, reliable, and exam-oriented current affairs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for weekly current affairs updates. Let's get started. First question. Which prestigious national sports award was conferred on Indian cricketer Rohit Sharma and Harmanpreet Kaur? A. Arjuna Award. B. Padma Shri. C. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. D. Dronacharya Award. Correct answer B. Padma Shri. Next question. The Chung A6 mission, in news on the 18th of January 2026, is related to which space activity? A. Mars exploration. B. Venus atmospheric study. C. Lunar sample return mission. D. Asteroid mining mission. Correct answer C. Lunar sample return mission. Next question. A joint declaration of intent on telecommunications cooperation was signed between India and which country in January 2026? A. USA. B. Germany. C. Japan. D. France. Correct answer B. Germany. Next question. The 56th World Economic Forum in January 2026 was held in which Swiss town? A. Geneva. B. Zurich. C. Davos. D. Basel. Correct answer C. Davos. Next question. In global news, the European Union designated which group as a terrorist organization on January 29, 2026? A. Hamas. B. Hezbollah. C. IRGC, Iran's Revolutionary Guard. D. Taliban. Correct answer C. IRGC, Iran's Revolutionary Guard. Next question. The exercise Agni Pariksha conducted on the 31st of January 2026 involved which forces? A. Indian Navy and Coast Guard. B. Indian Army and ITBP. C. Air Force and Navy. D. Paramilitary forces only. Correct answer B. Indian Army and ITBP. Next question. The Pechora missile, in news on the 31st of January 2026, is classified as which type of defense system? A. Surface-to-air missile. B. Air-to-air missile. C. Surface-to-surface missile. D. Anti-tank missile. Correct answer A. Surface-to-air missile. Next question. The NPS Swasthya Pension Scheme was launched by which authority? A. Ministry of Finance. B. Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. C. RBI. D. SEBI. Correct answer B. Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Next question. Which Indian institute developed a new method to predict solar cycles as reported? A. IIT Bombay. B. IIT Kanpur. C. IISc Bangalore. D. IIT Madras. Correct answer B. IIT Kanpur. Next question. Terry Lake, in recent news, is located in which Indian state? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Uttarakhand. C. Odisha. D. West Bengal. Correct answer B. Uttarakhand. Next question. On January 27, 2026, India signed a free trade agreement with which major entity? A. ASEAN. B. European Union. C. UK. D. USA. Correct answer B. European Union. Next question. The Tyler Prize, mentioned in January Current Affairs, is awarded in which field? A. Economics. B. Literature. C. Environmental science. D. Peace studies. Correct answer C. Environmental science. Next question. Which country experienced record heat in January 2026, marking its fourth hottest January? A. India. B. Australia. C. Brazil. D. Canada. Correct answer B, Australia. Next question. The India-Germany Telecom Cooperation, MOU, includes cooperation in what area? A. Defense manufacturing. B. Emerging technologies and ICT. C. Agriculture trade. D. Space exploration. Correct answer B. Emerging technologies and ICT. Next question. On January 30th, 2026, which disaster struck West Java, Indonesia? A. Earthquake. B. Tsunami. C. Landslides. D. Volcanic eruption. Correct answer C. Landslides. Next question. During the 56th World Economic Forum, whose ICC warrants affected attendance? A. Putin. B. Netanyahu. C. Xi Jinping. D. Macron. Correct answer B. Netanyahu. Next question. Which nation officially left the World Health Organization on January 22, 2026? A. China. B. Russia. C. USA. D. UK. Correct answer C. USA. Next question. Which region saw major flooding and was declared a national disaster on January 18, 2026? A. Australia. B. South Africa's Kruger National Park area. C. Japan's coastal region. D. Germany's rivers. Correct answer B. South Africa's Kruger National Park area. Next question. The Doomsday Clock update in January 2026 is related to which global concern? A. Economic slowdown. B. Sports diplomacy. C. Global security and climate risks. D. Space exploration. Correct answer C. Global security and climate risks. Next question. News updates from which Southeast Asian country were widely reported on the 29th of January 2026? A. Vietnam. B. Thailand. C. Indonesia. D. Malaysia. Correct answer B. Thailand. Next question. Exercise Milan 26 and the International Fleet Review are scheduled to take place in which Indian city? A. Mumbai. B. Kochi. C. Visakhapatnam. D. Chennai. Correct answer C. Visakhapatnam. Next question. Which country announced hosting multiple international summits in February 2026? A. Qatar. B. UAE. C. Saudi Arabia. D. Oman. Correct answer B. UAE. Next question. Which major WWE event took place in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia in late January 2026? A. WrestleMania. B. SummerSlam. C. Royal Rumble. D. Survivor Series. Correct answer C. Royal Rumble. Next question. Which climate phenomenon was widely discussed in global climate reports in late January 2026? A. El Niño. B. Polar vortex. C. La Niña. D. Heat dome.
Correct answer C. La Niña.
Last question. What major event began in the United States on the 31st of January 2026 due to funding issues? A. National Emergency Declaration. B. Partial government shutdown. C. Presidential election. D. Tax reform bill launch. Correct answer B. Partial government shutdown. Thanks for watching. If you found this quiz helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more current affairs updates every week. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video. Thank you.